Hello student, how are you? Hope you all are good. We had completed the chapter networking fundamental. So today we are doing the exercise. Let's start. First one is MCQ. When two or more local area networks are combined together, we get a PAN, WAN or MAN. It's a WAN, wide area network, in which what we can see two or more LAN are combined. Next is a set of rules used for communication between computer is known as protocols. Whatever rules is decided for the communication, that is called protocol. In dash topology, every computer is physically connected to all other computer in the network, in which all are connected to each other, that is mesh topology. Next is this type of network connection, which has a central line known as backbone, is called as star, bus or ring. It's a bus because all the systems are connected through a single wire, that is the backbone of the network, that is known as bus topology. Next is computers are connected together to share hardware, software, files, all of these. We can share the hardware also. We have taken the example printer. Software we can also share, because if networking is there and we are installing the paid, or we can say it's a licensed software, and every client can easily share the software. This one is also correct. Files, we can easily share the file also. The correct answer will be all of these, right? Next is IP stands for Internet Protocol. A device which makes the digital signal from a computer suitable for the transmission over the internet is called modem, because digital signals, analog signal will be converted into digital signal. Fine. So device makes the digital signal is done by the modem. The earliest type of internet connection was dial up, because firstly dial up came, after that broadband and cable internet. Next is the TCP IP uses dash switching technique to transfer message through internet. TCP IP uses which switching technique? Packet switching technique, right? The combination of star and bus topology result in the mesh, tree and ring. It's a combination of star and bus, we have already done. These star topology, firstly we are connecting a server, work as hub, and all the clients are connected, and all the star topology connect through to a single wire, that is called bus topology. So combination of star and bus topology is called tree topology. Next is fill in the blanks. A dash infection on one computer in a computer network can quickly spread to all the other computers. So infected means how it infected? Virus infection on one computer in a computer network can quickly spread to all other computers. Next is special software must be installed on a computer network to prevent breach of security. सिक्योरिटी को बनाए रखने के लिए हमें स्पेशल टाइप के सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करने चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ TCP IP इज ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Next is in a peer-to-peer network, the computer acts as both consumer as well as supplier, because one-to-one connection is there. The both computer has equal access. they can easily share also, they can send and receive both. Next is a dash is a physical location from where Wi-Fi access to internet is available. Hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot, because it's a physical location from where Wi-Fi access to internet is available. Next is in dash topology, every node not only send its own signal but also relay data from other nodes. So which topology, each node not only send, it can receive also data from the other, both. It means it's a both side connected, so it's a mesh topology. Next is the process where the network system create interconnection between is known as switching computers, right? A dash simplifies copy the information arriving at its input and retransmit it from the output. So who copy the information? Repeaters. Dash are known as dump switches. Hubs, the another name is dump switches. Next is true false. When two or more computer system or other devices are connected together to interchange data, then it is known as a network. True or false? True, because two or more computer systems are connected together to interchange data. Next is backup is one of the disadvantages of computer network. It should be false or true? It's a false, because backup is one of advantage of computer network, so it's false. Next is ring topology is the most feasible topology. No, it's a false, because disadvantage of ring topology, if one system fails, it will affect on all the systems. So which one is the most feasible topology? It's a mesh topology, so it's a false. Modem and browser are the requirement to access the internet? No. If modem browser is not there, even internet will work, so it's a false. WiMAX stands for Worldwide Interaction for Microwave Access. It's a true or false? It's a false, because it's given worldwide interaction. It's a wrong. It's a worldwide interoperability as a full form, so it's a false. Private hotspot is not used in office and home. We can use it, so it's a false. Three type of switching are circuit switching, message switching and passive switching. It's not passive switching, it's a packet switching, so it's a false. Next is the repeater is useful at the time when the network signal is weak or distorted over a long distance. It's a true or false? Yes. If the network is poor, so what repeater will do? Repeater will reshape, or we can say it will transform again in original signal. So this work who is doing? Repeater is doing, so it's a true. Next is the device which route the information around the network is called a राउटर. yes, the device जो information को route करता है, that is called router. Next is a peer-to-peer network is easier to implement and is less expensive. Yes, it's a less expensive and it's very easy to implement, so it's a true. Next is answer the following question. Explain the topology used in transmitting the TV signals. You have to do. Next is what is the difference between repeater and router? We have already done. Repeater definition also I told you in the fill-ups also. It just convert or retransform the signal into original signal, and router who route the information from one network to another. Fine. Or in a single network also. Fine. What is the advantage of hybrid topology over tree topology? We have already done. You have to prepare the notes. What are the dump switches? These all are the hubs, and why they are so called, we have already done in theory. Name the type of internet connection. explain any two. Dial-up connection, broadband, Wi-Fi, twisted Wi-Fi, or so many other network connections, internet connection. So you have to explain any two. Fine. DSL also is example of internet connection. So you have to explain any two only. Fine. This is exercise. It's done. In next video we will start new session. Thank you so much.